Hello, friends. I hope you're all doing great. We're here with a tutorial on how to register with the FunderPro Futures prop trading firm. Alright, in the reviews section, go to the PropFirm area and from the available prop trading firms, select FunderPro Futures. On this page, you can find complete information about this platform, and by clicking on the Go to Website option, you'll be taken to the official website of this prop trading firm. In this section, you can choose and purchase your desired plan. Now, if you want to register before purchasing a challenge, you can visit the website of this prop firm and click on the Sign Up option on this page. If you already have an account, you can log in by entering your email and password. Otherwise, click on the Create New Account option. Here, you need to enter your first name, last name, email, and confirm your email. After entering this information, click on this option, and as you can see, your account has been successfully created. Stay with us in the upcoming videos for more tutorials about this prop trading firm. Wishing you success and profitable trades.